Welcome to Maximum Education. Today our topic calendar. So it is one of important topic in most of the competitive exams. Okay. So the logical thinking also improve. So what we have to do, find this in this video. What I am going to tell. So for example, I have to take 18/5/1996. So in this day, which day, either Sunday or Monday, which day we have to find. So before that, so we have some questions. For example, so a year contains 12 months. In a year we have 12 months and 365 days. 365 days. In leap year we have only 366 days. Okay? Right. So first, every year, for example, 2021, if 2021 started with Monday, assume, then next day, next 2002, next year started with Monday after Tuesday. Okay? Right. So next day. So for example, 2001 started with Monday, so 2002 started with Tuesday. And if 2001 day end with Monday, for example, end with Monday, 2002 also end with Tuesday, because we have odd days. What is mean by odd days? For example, we have to 365 divided with 7. So every 7 days the calendar week again repeat. Same like that only. 7 5 35, 15, 7 4 next 7 2 14. One remainder. That means one odd day, one odd day, ODD, odd day. In this called odd day. Odd day means so extra one day. So already 7 days over. Next day, that is one. That's why Monday after get Tuesday. So in any year started with Monday or end with Monday, then next year started with Tuesday or end with Tuesday. Okay? Right. Same. For example, if leap year, so it have 2 odd days. Leap year contain 2 odd days. How many days? 2 odd days. That means, for example, so if 2014 is leap year. 2014 is a leap year. So 2004 leap year. Next to 2005. 2004 end with 2004, for example, or end with Wednesday. Assume. Next 2004 is a leap year. That's why we have 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Therefore, Wednesday after Thursday, Friday. Next, Friday. So, whenever leap year, we have take 2 odd days. Remaining every year, we have take only 1 odd day. Okay? Right. Again, one concept. So, every normal year, for example, 2001 is a normal year. So, in normal year, January and July have same calendar. Every normal year, the month January and July have same calendar. Same calendar means if January 1st is Sunday, so same July 1st also Sunday. That like only. So every leap year, January and July have same calendar. Every leap year. And every non-leap year, every normal year, we have January and October. January and October have same calendar. Okay? So every leap year, January and July have same calendar. That means if started with some day, same day, it is also started with July also. So in normal year, except to leap year, January and October have same calendar. So how to find leap year? How to find a leap year? How to find a leap year? Simple amma. How take any year? For example, 2004. If to any leap year divided with 4, so when remainder is 0, that is leap year. That is leap year. Therefore, 2004 is a leap year. So, how to find leap year? So, any year divided with 4, exactly divided with 4, then that year is called leap year. For example, 1996, because already we know 4 divisibility rule. So, 96 is divisible by 4, therefore 96 is divisible by 4. This is also a leap year. Okay? Right. Next, 2000 also leap year. 2000 also leap year. So, because 2000 is divided by 4. For example, I have to take 1500. It is also leap year. Yes? But there is a confusion. So, every century we have 1500 and 1600, again 1700. In this, so total is divided with 4, because we have to take, it should be divided with 4 hundreds, not 4. Whenever you have to enter 4, that should be divided with 4 hundreds. So, this is divided with 400. So, it is not divided with 4. That way, 1500 is not a leap year. 1600 is a leap year, because 1600 divided by 1400, you got 4. Therefore, this is a leap year. So, here we have every normal year divided with 4, it is a leap year. It is a leap year. But every century means 1000 or 1100, this should be divided with 400. Then that year is called leap year. Okay? Clarity? Next. Again one. So, same calendar how we have to get? Same. So, calendars are repeating. That means every year. So, for example, we have to take 1996 is a leap year. Same leap year. That means whenever 1996 start with which day? Same day. So, same calendar repeat in how many years? So, clearly, for example, 1996, 1995, 1994, 1993, 1992. Okay? So, we have one code. What is the code? Means every leap year repeated in every 28 years after. Same calendar repeating every 28 years after. Okay? Remaining 6, 11, 11. This is a one code. So, 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. So, every 6 years after one leap year, for example, 96. 96 after 93. Same 93 calendar. Same 1993 calendar repeat after 6 years. That means 1999 have same leap year, same calendar. Same 1994 also. 5. So 910, 2000. 5, 0, 1, 0. So again 2005. Again 2005. Again in 2005. Same 1994 calendar repeated. Okay? Right. So that means if 96 also, again 28 years. Same. This is the one pattern. What is the code? 28, 6, 11, 11. So every 96, every 6 years after we are getting 93. Same also. This is one code. Keep your minds. Next, again one. How we are to find whenever is given some day? How we are to find? For example, 18/7/1982. So this is which day? So there we have first date. We have one code, date and month, year, leap year and century code. This is one formula. So first date, every date and month and years, leap years, century code. Simple. So that, for example, date here 18. Okay. Next you have to take month code here. So observe here. This is the 033614625 That means January 0, February 3, March 3, April 6, May 1st, June 4th, July 6th, like that only. So for example, 7th month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th month code is 6. Here you have to write 6. How many years? 82 years. Okay. So how many leap years? How many leap years? Simple. 82 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 20 ja. Again 2 is remainder. Don't bother about that. Just you have to write 20 leap years. Again 1982. Century code. What is century code? 1992, 1919. This is a 0. So once here. So observe here. 1900 to 1999 is a century code is 0. Next 1800 to 1899 is 2. 4, 6. Same again repeat. For example, 222 to 299. 6 for again 2, 0. Same repeating. Okay. So your century code how much? 0. Simply have to write 0. Now we have to add all this. For example, 82 plus 20, 82 plus 20, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. Add this. 6. Next, 12, 126. Okay, you got 100. These 126 divided with 7. 7 1 ja 7, 5. Okay, next 756. 7 8 ja 56. Remainder 0. So whenever remainder 0, the day is Sunday. Here also again one code. Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2. Same. Tuesday, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday, Saturday 6. So if whenever getting remainder 0 is Sunday. If remainder 1, if you get remainder 1, so that is Monday. If remainder 2, Tuesday. Remainder 3, Wednesday. So wait. So first you have to add all codes. Then after divided with 7. Whenever you are getting remainder, based on remainder only, how to do which days you can tell easily. Okay, right? Next date 17/10/2012 is which day? Simple. Already we have date code, dates, month code, years, leap years. How many leap years? And century code. Simple. Century code. So date, how many days you have? 17 plus month, how 10th month. 10th month code how much here? October. October is 0. Simply have to write 0. How many years? 2 years. How many? 12 years. How many leap years? Just 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. 3 leap years plus century code. What is the century code? Century code 2000 to 2019. It is between 2000 to 2019. The century code is 6. Simple add. First 6 plus 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 17. That is equal to 8, 38. Total 38. Now we have to divide it with 38 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. 3. So 3 means what is Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday is 3. So this is Wednesday. So 17/10/2012 is Wednesday. Okay? Right. Next again one date. 12/4/2006 is which day? Simple. Date, month, year, number of leap years and century code. So date 12 days. Month, how many months? Fourth month. Fourth month code is 6, April. 6. Year, 16 years. Leap year, 16 by 4. So 16 by 4 is 4 only. So we are not bothered about remainder. Next to century code. Century code is 6 also. Because 2000, this is century code is 6. Okay? 12 plus 6, 18. Plus 16 plus 4, 20 plus 6, 26. That is equal to 18 plus 26. 18 plus 26. That is equal to 444. Okay? Right. Next, 44 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. Remainder is 2. Remainder how much? 2. So that is Tuesday. Answer is Tuesday. This is the some problems on calendar. Okay? Right. Copy it. Thank you. These are the months code. These months codes are important. First you are keep in your mind just like a phone number 033614625 Next century code. First 0246 or 6420 like that only. These are the century codes. Already week codes we can easily know because Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2. These are the very easy stuff. So whenever you have to remember these two, you can solve any method, any date, which day you can solve easily. Okay? Most of the arithmetic or competitive exams, definitely they will ask 1 or 2 problems on calendar. Okay? Which the same day repeating, same calendar repeating, they will ask. So using my video, you can solve my problems. Okay? Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video.